Imagine, if you will, the open road before you, stretching out like a ribbon of potential adventure. The excitement of discovering new places, the thrill of the unexpected, the joy of shared experiences. That's the magic of a road trip. But as all experienced travelers know, a great road trip isn't just about where you go. It's about how you prepare for the journey. Once upon a time, a group of friends decided to embark on a spontaneous road trip. With the wind in their hair and the sun on their faces, they hit the road full of anticipation. But as the hours turned into days, they started to encounter problems. Their vehicle broke down in the middle of nowhere. They found themselves lost without maps, and their lack of planning meant they were stuck without a place to stay for the night. Their dream road trip quickly turned into a nightmare. This tale serves as a stark reminder of the importance of preparation. So before you buckle up and hit the road, here are 10 things you should do to ensure your journey is smooth, safe, and enjoyable. Number 1, plan your route and itinerary. Knowing where you're going and what you'll be doing saves you time and avoids stress and confusion. Use helpful apps like Google Maps or Road Trippers to guide your way. Number 2, make sure to service your vehicle. A quick checkup could save you from unexpected breakdowns and unnecessary headaches. Number 3, pack the essentials and an emergency kit. This should include a first aid kit, spare tire, jumper cables, and a flashlight. You never know when you might need them. Number 4, prepare your entertainment in advance. Download maps, music, podcasts, audiobooks, and movies. This will keep you entertained and informed throughout your journey. Number 5, check your legal requirements. Ensure your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance are up to date and accessible. Also, familiarize yourself with the traffic laws and regulations of the states you'll travel through. Number 6, plan for rest stops. It's important to take breaks, stretch your legs, and refresh yourself. Number 7, book your accommodations in advance. The last thing you want after a long day's drive is to find out there's no room at the inn. Number 8, stock up on food and snacks. Not only will this save you money, but it will also give you more flexibility on where and when to eat. Number 9, secure your home before you leave. Ensure all doors and windows are locked and any alarms are set. Number 10, finally rest well before departing. Begin your journey refreshed and alert. So there you have it. 15 essential steps to prepare for your road trip. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. By taking the time to prepare, you can ensure your road trip is an adventure to remember, not a disaster to forget. Happy travels!